It is raining here along this road. um, uh, Leading into Churchill Downs. It's about 6 o'clock, and the ponies should be running any time now. Um, Needless to say, traffic is an absolute mess. It's a slop. The cars are running in the slop along with the horses here. I was headed home, but decided to get out of the rain. If you're wondering why didn't I go and get a general admission ticket, didn't have $80 to drop. So, anyway, so I'm not crazy in that respect, and I'm also not crazy enough to stand in the rain or walk in the rain. So on my way home here, I decided to stop in this bus shelter here, and as I make my way to the bus that I want to catch to go home, which is that direction, okay? So I'm sitting here, and I can't help but feel like I'm not in a bus shelter, but a boat. Because increasingly, the water is getting in here, okay? And it is slowly starting to surround me and my belongings, okay? Now, all right, and I thought to myself, wow, it is raining pretty heavily out there. Just where is this water coming from? The winds are not that bad. And I'm thinking, wow, why is water about to overtake me here in this nice bus shelter for the local buses here in this fine community. I don't think it was hit by lightning. And it just made me think of the bus shelters in Connecticut that the neighborhood boys got to and beat the hell out of. But they're cute, aren't they? Yeah, if you remember, I think I posted a couple pictures from New Haven in particular of bus shelters. Now there, they don't get rain, they get snow too in the dead of winter. And the gentleman there kindly punched out the windows to many of the public bus shelters there. Oh yeah, it didn't matter if it was an advertisement. They went through them too, leaving nothing but paper and, broken lights. It's nice to know that, young men are the same in all towns, regardless of the town, and obviously regardless of the year. So if you're out there, would you give your sister a call or your mother? I'd love to get to meet them, because there's nothing more I want to do than to live with you. All right. You are a cool dude. From the road, it's William and his Star Wars adventures.